back to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken gyoza or pot stickers. These tender little dumplings are one of the highlights of going to a Japanese restaurant, and I will show you how to make them at home. Okay, so let's start with prepping with the ingredients. See you in a minute. For extra fiber, I like to add finely ground or shredded carrots. And we all know that carrots doesn't only add coloration to food, but also full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are good for your health. Mincing carrots consume too much of my time, so I'm just going to grate this using the smaller side of the box grater. I will also add finely chopped or shredded Napa cabbage. Napa or Napa cabbage is a type of Chinese cabbage originating near the Beijing region of China and is widely used in East Asian cuisine because it adds delicious flavor and textures to any dish. Scallions or spring onion also add a pop of color and flavor to almost any dish. If you're unsure which part of the scallion to use or how to cut it, determine what you're going to use the scallions in. For example, if you're looking for a classic gyoza or garnish, slice the green ends into thin circles and mix in the rest of the ingredients or sprinkle them over food. I also love garlic because garlic has an intense flavor and is an essential ingredient in cooking. Garlic is also minced and used as a flavoring in sausages, meatballs, and other ground meat preparations, just like in this chicken gyoza recipe. Add a few pieces of chopped shrimp would add some good taste to any of your dish because shrimp has a sweet, seafoody, slightly creamy, and with slightly taste of chicken. It's really good on its own. Also, mixing shrimp with lean chicken keeps the meat moist and juicy, especially to this type of dish. So here are all the ingredients we're going to use to make these pot stickers. 1 cup chopped spring onion, about 2 cups shredded or finely chopped Napa cabbage, 1 pound ground chicken breast, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, half cup shredded carrots, half cup finely chopped shrimp, about 1/4 pound, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 packet of gyoza or pot stickers wrapper. Alright folks, let's get mixing. Let's push these ingredients aside for a moment. In a large bowl, put ground chicken, add in carrots, shrimp, minced garlic, white pepper, sesame oil, spring onion, Napa cabbages, and eggs, and mix it using your hands until all well combined and has pasty texture. Once done mixing, transfer the mixture into a clean glass dish, cover with a cling wrap, and set it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Before starting to wrap the meat, prepare a little water in a small bowl for sealing gyoza and 1/4 cup of flour in a separate bowl for dipping finished gyoza to prevent from sticking together. To wrap, take a wrapper, placing and holding it with the palm of your forefingers. Put a tablespoon of meat in the middle. Dip your finger in a water bowl and dab around the edges of the wrapper. To make them prettier, you can use your thumb and index finger to make the pleats from one end to the other end. Then don't forget to dip it in a bowl of flour before placing it onto a plate to prevent from sticking together. There are many ways to wrap pot stickers or dumplings. The easiest way is to fold them over and seal the edges tight by dabbing a little water around the outer edges of the wrapper. One important thing to note, do not refrigerate uncooked dumplings because dumplings fillings tend to be moist. When you refrigerate uncooked dumplings, the moisture continues to seep into dumpling skins, causing them to turn soggy. The next day, the gyoza can get stuck to your container or each other and lose their shape. This problem is even worse when you use thin dumpling skins. That's why the best thing to do is to freeze pot stickers. So how to freeze gyoza? Well, that's easy. There's two ways of how to freeze pot stickers. First method is freeze the gyoza on a baking sheet. Make sure none of the dumplings are touching or they will stick together. Or you can coat it with flour, directly put it into freezable container and freeze it for up to months. And that's it, folks. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen once again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comments, so please tell me of what you think about this video. See you later, folks. Bye for now.